Welcome to another Vitamix Showdown. Today, we have a detailed Vitamix 5,200 versus 7,500 comparison, which has been a highly requested video. In the next few minutes, you'll know all of the key differences between the Vitamix 5,200 and the Vitamix 7,500 so that you can decide which one is right for you. Links to the current prices for each product are at the top of the description. The Vitamix 5,200 and 7,500 are both powerhouse blenders, but they have some key differences in their blending capabilities. The 5,200 features a 2-horsepower motor, while the 7,500 boasts a slightly more powerful 2.2 horsepower motor. This extra oomph gives the 7,500 a slight edge when it comes to crushing ice and tough ingredients. You'll find the 5,200 excels at blending small batches and single-serve smoothies because its narrower container allows for better circulation of ingredients, especially when working with smaller amounts. Of course, as with any Vitamix blender, the 5,200 is no slouch when it comes to tackling much larger portions as well. On the flip side, the 7,500's wider container is ideal for larger batches and family-sized portions. It's also more efficient at creating nut butters thanks to its improved blades, which are an inch thicker than those of the Vitamix 5,200. Both models offer variable speed control, allowing you to fine-tune your blends. The 7,500, however, includes a pulse feature for added precision, which is likely the main reason for the slightly higher price tag. Whether you want to make ice-cold smoothies or hot, hearty soups, both models will delight your taste buds, but 7,500 may do so more quickly. The Vitamix 5,200 and 7,500 have distinct design differences you'll notice right away. The 5,200 is taller and slimmer, while the 7,500 has a wider, shorter profile, making it easier to fit under kitchen cabinets. The control panels differ too. The 5,200 has a simple, high and variable switch and speed dial. The 7,500 replaces the high variable switch with a pulse feature, giving you more control over texture. Weight-wise, the 7,500 is heavier at 12.5 pounds, while the 5,200 weighs 10.9 pounds. This extra weight in the 7,500 comes from its more powerful 2.2 horsepower motor compared to the 5,200's 2 horsepower. Both blenders boast Vitamix signature hardened stainless steel blades, although the 7,500 does have slightly thicker blades, which could offer an advantage when it comes to crushing tougher ingredients. In terms of build quality, both models maintain Vitamix's reputation for durability. You'll find solid construction and high-quality materials in both the 5,200 and 7,500, so it's no surprise that they both include a 7-year warranty as well. The Vitamix 5,200 and 7,500 both feature simple, intuitive controls that make blending a breeze. Both models include a variable speed control dial with 10 settings so that you can start slow and ramp up the power as needed. You'll appreciate the straightforward design of both blenders. There are no complicated digital displays or confusing button arrays to navigate. The 7,500's pulse feature gives you an edge for tasks like chopping vegetables or crushing ice because it allows for more precise control over the blending process. Both models have a tamper included, which helps you push ingredients down toward the blades. This ensures smooth blending without having to stop and scrape the sides. Keeping your Vitamix clean is a breeze, whether you opt for the 5,200 or 7,500 model. Both blenders feature self-cleaning functions that make your life easier. To clean either blender, simply add warm water and a drop of dish soap to the container. Run it on high for about 30-60 seconds, and voila, your blender is clean. The 7,500 has a slight edge in cleaning ease due to its wider, shorter container. You'll find it easier to reach all areas with a sponge if needed. So, those are all the differences between the Vitamix 5,200 and the Vitamix 7,500 that I can think of. Both are worth buying, in my opinion. But depending on your blending needs, you'll probably want to pick one over the other. Links to the current prices for each product are at the top of the description box.